Frosty Reviews. Back with the build it up with the uppercut banger. Today's hat comes from reddirthatcompany.com. Badass gear, badass hats. Today's shirt, you guessed it, comes from zerofoxtrot.com. Dangerous. Mrs. Frosty's over there judging me.
Yeah.
All right. So today's beer is the peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver Company out of Oceanside, California. I've been asked a long time to do a review on this beer, and it's finally here. I think my old Navy buddy, Steve Vargas, asked me to do the review on this beer. So here you go, Vargas man. So again, peanut butter milk stout from Belching Beaver Brewery. On here it says, America's favorite peanut butter milk stout. Troy came up with the idea of combining peanut butter with a Beaver's milk stout, and he nailed it. Don't let the dark color fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink with cascading aromas of roasted peanuts, dark chocolate, and coffee. Good times to you, my friend, and welcome to the Beaver family. Cheers, Tom. So this thing is rocking a 5.3% ABV with 30 IBUs. So it should be fairly drinkable for a stout. Some more info on the beer. In 2014, they took home the silver medal in the World Beer Championships. So that's pretty impressive to take home any medal when it comes to the World Beer Championships. So Belching Beaver Company, again, they're out of Oceanside, California. They launched their brewery in 2012. Not only do they have good stouts, I've had a couple of their IPAs. I had another person ask me to do a review on their Deftones beer, I guess that's like some kind of rock band or something. So I'll be getting to that in the future. But let's get to the beer. Shall we? So it's going to be a dark beer. It's a stout. If y'all watched my channel before, you know I'm not that big of a stout fan, but on occasion I will drink them, especially whenever people ask me to review them. You know, I'm one for the people. Going for the aroma. Oh man, it smells almost like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Man. Very smooth peanut smell to it, and I can smell on the back end of it the oats. Smells good. Let's see how it tastes. As you can see, very, very dark beer with like little to no head in it. Cheers to all my Frostos and Frostettes. Here's mud in your eye. Okay, I've had quite a few peanut butter stouts in my time because I grew up eating peanut butter. I was a picky eater as a little guy. I survived on peanut butter up until I was probably 18 years old, until I went off to the military and I was forced to eat their food. So I have tried a lot of peanut butter stouts, and I have only been impressed by one other one. This one definitely, and the peanut butter milk stout from Saloon Door Brewing Company. And this is really freaking good, this one. It's so smooth. And for me, when it comes to stouts, the lower the ABV level, the better the beer is, in my opinion. Because with stouts, especially when it gets too high in ABV, it just takes away the taste of the stout. And the stouts are really known for their crazy flavors, like dessert flavors, like coffees and peanut butters, and blueberry cobbler. I've seen that one before, and just crazy flavors, right? And I think like in this case with this beer, it being a 5.3% ABV, you can actually get all the taste throughout the whole beer. It starts off with the peanut butter, melts in with a little bit of chocolate on the back bite, and you taste the oats on the very end of it. It's very smooth from start to finish. This is probably my favorite stout I've ever had. I'm not even playing. Like it's that damn good, that damn smooth. Really, really enjoying it. So yeah, it's really good. I'm digging this a lot. I had to end my, I didn't have to, I chose to end my Zero Foxtrot Afterlife subscription. So if y'all were enjoying those videos, they're gonna be no longer here. I didn't feel like paying the $30 a month. I mean, it's not that bad of a deal. I just want to save some more money because the craft beer hobby it's not exactly cheap. It's pretty freaking expensive actually. Like a 4-pack of the beers I usually drink, like the double IPA New England styles, you know, a 4-pack, 4 beers is almost $20. Depends on what brewery you go to or at the store or whatever. I found this store at my local grocery store here in the Houston area, HEB. So if you're down here, Belching Beaver, this beer is going to be at HEB. At least from all the ones I've been to lately, they've had them. So yeah, and of course I'm sure you can order it online or wherever. Especially obviously in California, it's going to be there. But I think they have like several dispensaries where they distribute the beer on the West Coast. They have, you know, definitely California. I saw Alaska, Hawaii, Washington, so some other states up there. So let's go for a rating. For a stout, I don't know. I'm gonna have to say it'd be my favorite stout. Just stouts taking IPAs out of this. This is a 9.2. 9.2. She knows what's up. You want to come on TV, honey?
No, never.
But yeah, 9.2. Really freaking good. I wish I had more of these. Sorry about the video being so long, everybody, but I was told by a friend at work who knows his computer shit, Mr. Stink, that's what I call him, and he told me the algorithm on YouTube, you want to go over 10 minutes on your videos, so that's what I'm gonna do from now on. And sorry about your luck. If you don't want to fucking watch me sit here and ramble, then stop the video. But before you stop the video, make sure you thunder slap that like button and thunder slap that subscription. Little Hulk Hogan action. So another big announcement is probably shortly, I'm going to start a fishing channel as well. It's going to go down. So if you're into bass fishing, into kayak bass fishing, it's coming, okay? It's coming, I can't freaking wait, I'm so excited. I'm in the process of getting a kayak here probably within the next month or so, and after that, it's gonna be another couple months before I can save up money for a GoPro, but it's gonna happen, and I'm really, really excited about it. I love fishing, I love bass fishing especially. So it's been a dream of mine for like the past probably 3 years to do this, and I'm actually almost in a position where I'm able to pull the trigger and actually start doing it, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be so awesome. Man, that was a good beer. Really, really good. Oh, and what do y'all think about the new glasses? Fancy, huh? Really good. And of course, if you're into these t-shirts, man, Zero Foxtrot in my opinion, hands down, the best t-shirts on the market, quality and the best designs, in my opinion. I mean, for dudes. I know like my brother's wife, she likes this shirt. She's into Top Gun, so I mean, you can get it small, shrink it down, whatever. They also have tank tops. They have posters, wallets, shorts, silkies, blankets, hooded sweatshirts, hats. I mean, they have everything. It's just a badass company. Veteran ran, veteran owned. There's a timer, everybody. All right. Thank you again for tuning in. If you stuck around this long, you know I love you. And always, stay frosty.